just a short demo of the robot to show the mechanics of it. This prototype is very simple. Firstly, you have the arena of the two robots fighting together, and basically you have two buttons. Two navigations. First one is to press with your left hand, and it's like going to shoot, and another one is controlling the movement.
Team stands next to the for you.
Yes.
Alright, so Kate and Erika join as a team.
Hey, team.
Questions?
I just want to say I'm super excited to be here and game on.
1, 2, 3.
Good luck.
Game on.
Have fun.
So we now need delete frame 26 and duplicate frame 25, please. Okay, just say the questions. Yeah, the first question and the options. Okay, guys, half of the journey is down.
Hi, welcome to Hollow Notes. Just click the button. Oh, I've been fine. Hey guys, get out of the frame. Okay. I just want to get the fuck out of the frame.
Yes.
Just be quick. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god. No way. This is freaking. Okay. Oh my god. This is all. Oh my god.
Hey, Kate, make a huge hair down to the feet of Spiros, like go down, all the way down.
Just like over the root.
What should I do? Should I watch this Hollow Note? Do you guys want to talk about it?
Yes,
Yeah, go
please.
for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. Now I'm on frame 2. There we go. Okay, scientists, are you ready to find a cure?
So these floating bubbles are going to attack the specific person, but again, randomly. Another quiz will appear sometime, and this time we show the happy path. Get the ingredients for the chicken soup if you have a streak of correct answers.
So for at any moment, one of the players is being infected, and you kind of have to like save them by saving Bob.
Exactly. You have to save Bob, and you have to save your teammate. Well,
I just want him to be constantly sneezing on him. Okay, this is like the scariest game there is because it's it's the pandemic all over again. It's gonna bring up all sorts of trauma.
It's educational.
Yeah,
exactly. And it's hilarious.
We're running behind, so we got to go back to the main lobby and deliberate. But this is strong. This is a strong one, guys.
Honestly, the best. Oh wow, I didn't realize I was.
Wave something around like this. Anyway, so that was Wait, I need Bob. I need a Bob.
This is Bob.
Yeah.
This is an imposter.
I'm quite happy with how all this turned out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the top 3 ones, and we'll reveal the eggs and how many jewels you got in the eggs. Bob, you want to come too? Out to the middle, everybody out to the middle.
Yep.
Number 3, that's third place. So amazing job. Give him a hand.
Amazing
Give him a shout
nice.
out.
Good job.
Hey,
So
Tobias.
sweet. The good job, guys. Give him a hand.
Yay,
Nice, good job.
thank you.
Whoa, good job, guys.
Thank you.
Nice.
Our grand prize goes to team number 6.
Bob do it?
Viral impact.
The emotion, there was a lot of like terror because it's all about the pandemic, but also a lot of
We
joy
have
and
winner,
funniness
team
because
number
there were a lot
6
of
for
good
viral.
jokes. Narrative, I think it was hilarious that like there's Bob up there sneezing on you and you have to like help. And I think it could work, you know, for virtual reality and mixed reality and AR. So yeah. Way to go, guys!
Thank you so much, guys.
Congrats.
It was amazing. It was